Then she goes and gets clean molds and a clean litter box. And she will kind of sweep out whatever's a little bit dirty in the cage that the cat is in. Cat wants to be loved on.
No, it's shedding like crazy.
Probably need to get a volunteer to brush her.
I could. Ashley's here volunteering.
Yeah. They're here to work, so give them stuff to do. And then we use the bifold towels that clean with the spot clean with the Women Quat. And we notice if there's any flea dirt around, we note on a piece of paper for the kennel manager. She has a mailbox. Any problems that are in the rooms is noted and put into the kennel manager's box to be researched.